Hello everyone, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Lyft. Providing more than 1 million journeys per day, Lyft is a ride-sharing service offering transportation in over 300 cities across the U.S. The Lyft app matches passengers with drivers as well as with other travelers who are going in the same direction. Whether you are looking for a private ride in a premium luxury vehicle or just a standard economical ride, Lyft has an easy, hassle-free choice to fit your requirements. Users can schedule their ride up to 7 days in advance, and Lyft offers passengers the option of rounding up their fare to the nearest dollar and donating the difference to a charitable cause of their choice. However, though Lyft is a solid ride-sharing service, some customers have complained about long wait times and also being charged for rides even if canceled by the driver. Bottom line, if you want to travel quickly and safely, Lyft has a wide range of options available. Riding with Lyft costs less than a taxi, and there's almost always a driver close by. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.